Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking to take charge of your body, one thing that I've enjoyed doing is using this essential oil set. This is by Lacura. I love the Protect, which is the one, and the Fight, which is the two. They're separated and both very useful. My whole family really enjoys taking it. And these bottles are really nicely sealed. Also, they pour precisely into these gorgeous clear capsules that are vegan and you can bring with you on the go, or you can just get them set up in advance. They also don't spill, so I leave them in my purse when I'm traveling. This is just a wonderful option. When I started taking this, I was fighting something, and I don't know if it was the essential oil blend here or what it was, but I definitely immediately felt good within 2 days. So it doesn't hurt, especially when you have the most high quality blends. Some of my favorite ingredients are in these essential oils: the oregano, peppermint oil, interestingly, pine needle. There's lemon, ginger, clove, and wild orange, just to name a few. And with all of this, it has been a wonderful way to improve myself. I love it, but that's just my point of view.